So folding pram is a big problem. So today I am going to tell you about how to fold pram. It's very easy, otherwise we keep on struggling, and especially the first time parents. So this is the control. You can either push up down as per your height. You can adjust your length. Okay. Then this is just if you want to cover your baby, you can rotate like up down. This is a panorama pram, and now suppose I want to remove this whole sheet. So there are controllers always given here. This is the control. From both ends you push up and it will simply come out. So you can see these are the clips using which it used to stick properly on this. So now when you are putting back, make sure this is here equally on both sides. It is equally put, and you will hear the click voice. If click is not there, it means it is not safe to carry. Now this belt is also optional. You can remove this belt separately. Just there are two controls. You push these controls and your belt will come out like this. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, from both ways you can take it completely out also. Like if I want to take it out from this side, and I want to take it out from this side, it is completely removed. Okay, so it's easy to carry. Now suppose you want to travel in car and you want to carry this pram, how to fold it. Okay, so before folding I will show you. These are the brakes. So if you put like this, your pram is locked. You are traveling on bus or any public conveyance, it's always recommended to lock it so that your baby is safe, and you can, if there are brakes applied in the bus, this will not go anywhere. Similarly, these are two push buttons. If you want to go straight without any control, you can lock them. Otherwise, you can make it free and it will keep on opening. Now the complex part is coming, how to fold it. So for folding it, this is a press button. You press it slowly and pull both these legs like this, and your pram will start to fold. So this is folded. Now you carry it easily. Here is your, you can put your this one, and you can easily carry in your bus, train or whatever. Now if you want to reshape it into same face, again pull it, push little bit like this, and your pram will come with a click. It is easy to carry. Now you can put your baby's chair here. Make sure you take your baby in lap when you are putting this. Now it is ready. It was recommended to apply all the belts when you use your baby in the pram. So these are the 3 belts. You can use those belts. Okay. Now I'm going to how you want to manage your baby. That is very important. I'm taking this soft to adjust to demonstrate baby. First of all, head of baby is very important. So you can put any soft mat or whatever you have, and some supportive stuff to support the head of baby. So if you are going to put like this way, his or her legs can come here, and there is a little controller here. Using this, you can rotate it. Okay, so if you see here, it is whatever manual position is there, you can adjust here. The best part is when you move like this, your baby should be facing to you so that you can talk to your baby. Next I am going to demonstrate how to basically tie your baby firmly, so that sometime what happen when you are moving like this and suddenly something came out, so it may come out like this way. So it's always better, safe, recommended, don't be lazy. Hold the belts properly. These are the belts. You may think these belts are very strong and very tricky to use, so don't be lazy. Simply put like this. You can see this belt can easily go inside here, and with this voice it is clearly this belt. And now I'm going to put 1 and 2. So it means if now your pram may go like this way, but your baby will remain safe and secure. Okay, so it is always recommended properly firm it, mention it, keep proper airflow going on. Now when you are moving in this direction, this way, there is a small transparent window given here. From here you can see your baby is safe or not. If you feel there is a rain or water, something, then you can, with every pram you will get some this type of waterproof poly pack with the pram. You can use like this way, so all the water will go down and your baby will remain safe. This one of the very recommended for infants. So this pram is good and suitable for babies up to 2 years max. What I'll suggest as per my experience. Now when your child is big, you can move to push chair. So my daughter is now 3 years. So she is using this pram frequently. In this pram, this is more easy to handle, and I'll quickly demonstrate it. It is very easy. So from here you can see it. This is normally your child go in this position. You can simply keep it. Again, brakes are here. Okay. So whenever you park this in the bus or public place, always put brake. Now it is locked. Now if you want to fold this, folding these strollers are very easy. Reason is when your child is grown up, it is frequently required. Your child is going on walk and going on stroller. So you simply, this is simply, you can see, and you pull it. Okay, once it is done, it is automatically, there is a lock, so this is going to lock here and you can carry it easily anywhere. Okay, now when you want to unfold it, sometimes we struggle because we are pulling like this, but the best part is you need to remove this lock first. Okay, so remove this lock. You know, you do not need to do any complex algorithm. Simply put it. Now the best part is once push it here. Once you pushed it here, it is locked here, and this is very good to carry. You can in this also there are belts are coming. You can use the belts, but if your baby is child is sensible enough, if he or she is able to hold it properly, you can slowly walk. Okay, so this is a representation of two types of pram and push here by me based on my experience. I struggled, I don't want you to struggle. So watch our channel and learn the basic things about baby care. Thank you.